There are a lot of patients that don't have any options. There are also a lot of patients that exhausted options. We estimated that there are about 300 million patients globally that are looking for treatments, and we try to help them.
There's a big need in creating more awareness and education around this to make sure that patients know what's out there and have a potential avenue to pursue it.
We help patients to discover and access clinical trials and, where appropriate, expanded access programs. We provide multilingual patient navigation services across global time zones. We support physicians and sites with accurate AI-powered pre-screening and streamlined clinical trial referral management. And for BioPharma, we provide patient recruitment services, expanded access solutions, and the collection of real data.
Every patient counts. And that gives us a lot of satisfaction if we celebrate that. And I really love that about myTomorrows, because you really feel that on a daily basis.
So we want patients to be supported in every step of their journey, to understand what's out there, how to potentially access them, and also how to get paired where the research is actually happening. In order to do this on a global scale efficiently, accurately, and compliantly is by the use of AI.
At the moment we're using AI for different purposes, but the main purpose is to take a medical profile that can be in any format, and our AI is then pre-screening that information and is structuring it, and it's saving a lot of time for physicians that are using our tool, but also our patient navigators that are helping the patients to find a trial. With our AI, we're saving 90% of that time.
And I think it's important to understand is that whatever we do in terms of technology, we try to back with scientific rigor, meeting a lot of frameworks and safeguards that are necessary to do what we do.
One of our patient navigators recently had a conversation with a woman in her 60s who lives in Australia, and she suffers from a rare genetic condition that causes blindness later in life. And unfortunately, her son has also inherited this disease. So they were reaching out to myTomorrows to understand what clinical trial options were available for them. He identified 12 trials that both of them might be eligible for, which is really exciting when you go from 0 potential options in the standard course of treatment to potentially 12 opportunities to participate in. Even if the options are few, knowing what they are and having clarity around that allows patients to feel empowered to make a decision that is best for them or for their loved one.
A lot of the colleagues who work at myTomorrows come from a healthcare background. They're physicians, nurses, molecular biologists. We have in our product and engineering department specialists who come from tech backgrounds, healthcare tech and different kind of tech. It makes for a really great innovative mixture. I think the common denominator is everyone really cares about what we do here because they want to make impact at scale. That to me is the caring aspect. You really feel it in everyday work, and at the end of the work process is always a patient. It's also patient centricity. It's one of our main values, and that truly feels through everything we do.
3 words to describe myTomorrows: patient-centric, enthusiasm, and then collaboration.
Innovative, committed, and also fun.
Innovative, driven, and caring.
Patient-centric, innovative, and transparent.
Purpose-driven, collaborative, and innovative.